Saina Institute of Medical Sciences. Manipur amadi India lengak na sakhanglaba paramedical amadi nursing college ama oliba Saina Institute of Medical Sciences ki 2024-25 batch ki admission form thaba haujare. Institute asida mama mapa kana leijadraba singgi oina lemna mahiroi tara tamhanjagani. Manipur lengak na mahiroi singgi piba scholarship ki khudong chaba institute asida fangli. Athaba mamalda admission tawbagi khudong chaba lobiyu agaknaba sit masingni ahanba lakpada khudong chaba pijagani. Institute asina piriba khudong chaba sing class 10 amadi 12 pass auraba mahiroi singna diploma or BSc in radiology and imaging technology, diploma or BSc in medical laboratory technology, diploma or BSc in operation theatre technology, diploma or BSc in dialysis, diploma or BSc in sterilization, diploma or BSc in electrocardiogram ECG, diploma or BSc in ultrasonography, diploma or BSc in ophthalmic, diploma or BSc in dental assistant, diploma or BSc in anesthesia, doctor or BSc in physiotherapy, diploma or BSc in social health worker, BSc in forensic science, BSc in echocardiology and cardiac technology, BSc in nutrition and dietetics, BSc in anesthesia, BSc in optometry, Loinana GNM nursing, D.Pharm, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PhD, Doctor of Acupuncture, Alternative Medical, Sonology, all department MSc courses, all department PhD courses ki khudong chaba pijari. Saina Institute of Medical Sciences. Address Porompat Crossing opposite SBI and Yaralpat, Imphal East, Manipur. Website www.semsmanipur.com. Contact number 03852443946 natraga 7005572416 natraga 03857965572 natraga 6033908318 natraga 7005 687 097.